upon 2 minus T0. 6. We have minus dt upon dt equal to k t minus T0, or dt upon t minus T0 equal to k dt. Integrate from 0 to small t and integrate on left side from t initial to t final. We get ln t minus T0, putting limit t initial to t final equal to minus kt, or ln t final minus T0 upon t initial minus T0 equal to minus kt, or t final minus T0 equal to t initial minus T0 e power minus kt, or t final equal to T0 plus t initial minus T0 e power minus kt. The graph shows the variation of temperature with time. The temperature T0 will never be attained because it will take infinite time. Now let's see the illustration. A spherical body with radius 12 centimeter radiates 450 watt power at 500 Kelvin. If the radius were made half and the temperature doubled, what would be the power radiated? Now let's see the solution by Stephen's law. Since power radiated capital E equal to epsilon sigma A T power 4 equal to epsilon sigma 4 pi r square T power 4. When radius is made half and temperature is doubled, power radiates E dash equal to epsilon sigma 4 pi r by 2 square multiplied by 2 T power 4 equal to 4E equal to 4 into 450 equal to 1800 watt. Now let's see. Another illustration is based on Newton's law of cooling. A body cools in 7 minutes from 60 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. What will be its temperature after the next 7 minutes? The temperature of the surroundings is 10 degrees centigrade. Assume that Newton's law of cooling holds good throughout the process. According to average method of Newton's law of cooling can be written as T1 minus T2 upon T equal to K T1 plus T2 upon 2 minus T0. In first case, T1 equal to 60 degrees centigrade, T2 equal to 40 degrees centigrade, T0 equal to 10 degrees centigrade, and time T equal to 7 minutes. Therefore, 60 minus 40 upon 7 equal to K 60 plus 40 upon 2 minus 10, or K equal to 1 by 14. In second case, T1 equal to 40 degrees centigrade and T2 equal to, and T2 we have to find. Next time interval is 7 minutes. Therefore, 40 minus T2 upon 7 equal to 1 upon 14, 40 plus T2 upon 2 minus 10, or 80 minus 2T2 equal to 20 plus T2 upon 2 minus 10. That gives us T2 equal to 28 degrees centigrade.